I'm Theo Kim, a software engineer on the Enterprise Data Sources team at Grafana Labs. I'm excited to show you a new plugin, Catchpoint. Let me give you a quick tour of the Catchpoint plugin. To start off, I'll go to Connections, Data Sources, Catchpoint. Simply, you can name your plugin and then set up the token. I'll say I hit the Save and Test button, and then once it passes, the plugin is ready to use. I'll go to Dashboard. I have set up demo dashboard for Catchpoint. I have 3 queries here: test query, SLO query, and RUM query, which are currently supported. I'll check the test query first. You can select which test query to be sent, and then there are 8 parameters that can be passed. For example, I can select 3 metrics here, and then sending that will only return those metrics that you selected here. Another interesting parameter here is that subsource type. If you are interested in seeing the metrics related to request, then you can select that request in the parameter, and then sending another query will return all the metrics related to request. So that was a test query. And then next up is a SLO query. SLO queries consist of 2 query types. First, the SLO list, and the other one is the SLO status. SLO list basically pulls a lot of properties of the active SLO that you have on your Catchpoint platform. If I open up the transformation, I'm only showing name and goal from the first editor, and then you can merge the other metric, which is current, that's coming from SLO status. So that's why you see name and goal and current. Those are the percentage of the table in one visualization panel. And then next is a RUM query. Currently, you have to manually type your site ID. If you don't want to manually type it all the time, you can make use of template variable that comes with the Grafana. So for example, I have site ID that I set up here, and then you can select those template variable, and then sending it will grab the value from the template variable up here. Currently, I have no data, but like the metric data will be very similar to a test query. So if you have any data available, it'll show quite similar to test query that I showed earlier. Thanks for listening. If you're interested in learning more, check out Catchpoint docs at Grafana Labs.